And his main seat is still the factory turned up to the right.
It's nice. Because this is a tractor ride. You can nearly see your hands. Oh my goodness me, I've got a long way. That's not from the Brooklyn. You can see your what? Your playhouse.
In the background to our right is home to many species of wildlife, such as rabbits, foxes, and there are also many birds nesting in these trees. If you're lucky enough, you might see rabbit poking take through the block fencing.
Yeah.
Can't see any.
I can't see any rabbit.
Yeah. Oh goodness. Yeah.
The train tracks to our right are the main Birmingham to Stratford line. Stratford in front of us and Birmingham behind.
Train track? Oh, no.
This line was made in 1906 by Great Western Railways and as many purposes. It was used to transport coals and fossil fuels over the line from city to city, and it was also used for working commute. It's a bit bumpier in this section.
Oh, great.
Farmer enjoys putting his ewes and lambs into this field, mainly because this natural streaming is ditched to our right, and it provides a constant natural clean water source for his animals, so he knows they will never become dehydrated and not be able to produce enough milk for the lambs.
No, it's not the car park.
What was in the car park?
Oh, no.
Stream.
These white stuff dotted around the field are mineral lifts. They are high in many essentials for the lambs to produce properly, such as phosphate, protein, key vitamins, and very high in magnesium. That helps the ewe produce enough milk to feed the lambs, and for the lambs to be in good condition ready to go off to market in the autumn. In the field to our right, the neighbouring farmer has made a race to take an injectable of his ewes against fly strike, which is a disease that attaches when the lambs and sheep have poo around their bums. That can cause maggot and death. All of the ewes here are taking time off underneath the tree to stay cool. They're all North Country mules, which is a Swaledale ewe cross with a blue-faced Leicester ram. It provides a very hard commercial breed, which is predominantly known for its high birth rate for twin lambs. These ewes will be bred up to they're around 6 or 7 years old, that is when they're in their prime, before the lambs start to become of a lower quality.
Well, that was quick.
If you would like to remain seated until Tom has reversed the tractor and turn the ignition off, thank you for travelling on the other side tractor ride.
That's the way you started, otherwise you've got a long way to go. How about we go find some picnic? Fancy some picnic? Because you've got to come back from where you started, otherwise you have to walk a long way. That's it, that's your tractor ride now.
Yep. I know.
Bye.